How to change wallpaper on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the wallpaper of your laptop. So first of all, you will need a photo which you'd like to be your wallpaper. So as you can see, I currently have this wallpaper right over here. So let's say I want to change this wallpaper. So for now, I'll simply go to Google Chrome and then type in wallpaper. Now let's say I'll simply keep this wallpaper right over here. So let me simply download this file. Let's save it. Now once you have the photo on your device, what you'll need to do is simply right click on the photo, and then a bunch of various options will appear where you will see the option set as, which is right over here. Simply tap on it and then it will provide you two different options. So you can either set this as your lock screen or you can set this as your background. So let me simply tap on the option background and then let's back out of here, and as you can see, my wallpaper has been successfully changed. So that is basically how you change the wallpaper on your laptop. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.